In this video, I'll show you how to create a mirror split transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition mirrors your footage and splits it apart, making the scene change feel bold, artistic, and visually captivating. It works great for music videos, fashion edits, creative reels, and cinematic content. Let's get started. First, place your two video clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for mirror. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now, select the transition and open Effect Controls. Here are the most important settings. Ease in controls, how smoothly the transition starts. Increase it for smoother motion. Decrease it for a sharper start. Ease out controls how smoothly the transition ends. Increase it for a smoother finish. Decrease it for a faster stop. Mirror angle controls the direction of the mirror split. Adjust it to change the reflection angle. Position controls where the mirror line appears on the screen. Adjust it to reposition the split center. Push distance controls how far the mirrored halves move apart. Increase it for a more dramatic split. Decrease it for subtle movement. Push angle controls the direction of the push movement. Adjust it to change how the mirrored halves move. Origin controls where the mirror effect starts. Change it to alter the starting point of the reflection. Scale controls the zoom during the transition. Increase it for more depth. Decrease it for a flatter look. Motion blur controls how smooth the animation looks. Increase it for more cinematic blur. Decrease it for a sharper transition. Use a shorter duration for a quick striking mirror effect. Use a longer duration for a smoother artistic reveal. For best results, this effect looks amazing on centered or symmetrical compositions. And that's it. That's how you create a mirror split transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.